this week's vlog. Honestly, to be 100% transparent at the beginning, this vlog is a little chaotic. It is all over the place, and I am sorry in advance. So hopefully it makes sense. Hopefully it's not too crazy, even though I already know it's gonna be like really chaotic. So sorry in advance. In this video there's gonna be like helicopters and fireworks and pool days. There's gonna be tomato picking. Like there's just a whole new experience the past few days. So I hope you're having a great week, friends, and enjoy the video. We're currently picking some tomatoes. Is this your first time picking tomatoes?
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Picked them at a grocery store before.
LOL. This is my bucket so far. Alright, let's compare. That's mine. That's Eli's.
I think I win. Mine's fuller.
It's not filled yet, so we
But
still have time. Hey, Max.
So, we're gonna go pick more tomatoes.
We have 3.
Tomatoes.
That's just full of tomatoes. So we're gonna call it good, because that's a lot of tomatoes.
Tomatoes and
We're
look
sweating so
at my
bad.
hair right now. And this hat.
We're sweating so bad right now.
Listen, hot.
It's a really good way to get tomatoes.
the store's cool too.
We love to see it.
Cheese.
So we have recently had a new obsession with Doritos, and so we're taking Eli.
I love Doritos.
So we're taking Eli to a place in our hometown that is like. Hey guys, it is Tuesday. We have one more event and then we're off for August. I'm gonna go home for a few days. The whole month of August is like booked up, so there's lots to do in August. But I think we're about to go swimming. Hopefully I can get me a tan going right now. Like I have one, like I'm not sad about it, like I'm not upset, but it could be better. It could be better.
Let's go swimming.
Such a rap. Say hi, everybody. Helicopter. Where'd it go? That way, that way.
The wheels began.
There you go.
The middle, between his legs.
Oh. There you go.
Yeah. Hi guys, I'm currently on my way to meet Taylor at the slides. Me and Ayla went fishing this past weekend and I got a ratchet tan line, so I'm about to try to get this shoulder looking way better than what it is right now. So I'll see ya after I tan. Peace. Get the What's up guys? We have Cokes.
These things, I had close. These things, it's like nano left heavy if it was
You do.
carbonated and had lots of aspartame.
Yep, they do. They do.
Coke. Anyways, take it away.
Honestly, I'm exhausted. I just woke up from a nap It's like almost noon. I'm exhausted still. Like, I shouldn't be this tired.
I got Coke Zero. Root beer, yeah! Root beer!
So yeah, that's this week's vlog, guys. It is honestly, I'm sorry for the craziness that it was. Like, I will try to do better on not being so crazy next time. It's just like so chaotic, and I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, thanks for watching this week's video. That is the last summer camp. We are headed home next, and I'm so excited. So stay tuned for what August holds. It's gonna be a lot of like home footage, like at home footage, and also like there's a lot of stuff that's about to happen in August. So stay tuned, because life is just getting crazier by the moment. We thought we were getting a break because summer's over, but we're not.